ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Madinah Arabic short tutorial series. Today we'll start lesson 18 of book 1, bi'idhnillah. So this is going to be the first part of lesson 18. If you remember, in lesson 13, we learned that the ism type words in Arabic have singular, dual, and plural forms. Singular is called al-mufrad. Dual is called al-muthanna. And plural is called al-jam'. So far, we learned about al-mufrad and al-jam'. In this lesson, we will start talking about al-muthanna, the duals. Try not to confuse the term muthanna with mu'annath. Mu'annath means feminine and muthanna is dual. Now the good news is that al-muthanna, the dual, is a lot easier to learn than al-jam'. We don't have to go through lots of different patterns or wazn as we had to do with plurals. Let's take the ism KITAABUN, a book. To say two books, all we gotta do is replace TANWEEN at the end with the suffix ANI. So the plural form of the ism will be KITAABAANI, two books. KITAABٌ became KITAABAANI. Another example, BAYTٌ. How do we turn this into muthanna? Again, we remove tanween and replace it with ani, that is fatha followed by alif and noon with kasra. So two houses in Arabic is baytani. Baytun became baytani. That's all there is to it. Easy, right? Now let's open page 103 of the book and practice converting the given al-mufrad ism to al-muthanna forms in exercise 6. The first ism is sayyaratun, a car. How do we say two cars? Two cars in Arabic is sayyaratani. Notice here the ta marbuta in the singular form opened up to become a normal ta. If you don't remember the difference between ta marbuta and the normal ta, I suggest you to revisit our video for lesson 4 and part 1. So sayyaratun in singular form became sayyaratani in dual. The next ism is tabibatun, a female doctor. What do you think is the muthanna form of this word? It is tabibatani, right? Very good. Tabibatani means two female doctors. Waladun, a boy. Two boys will be waladani. Lughatun, a language. How do we say two languages? Lughatani, right? So lughatun became lughatani. Next is sadiqun, a friend. What is its muthanna form? Sadiqani, two friends. Sadiqani. Then we have tajirun, a trader. Two traders will be tajirani. Mil'aqatun, a spoon. Two spoons is mil'aqatani. Again, mil'aqatun is a spoon and mil'aqatani is two spoons. Mudarrisun, a teacher. What is the muthanna of mudarrisun? It is mudarrisani. Very good. Mudarrisani. Next is babun, a door. What is two doors? Babani, right? Babun became babani. Ismun, a name. How do we say two names? We say ismani. Very nice. Ismani. Now we have hada, this, in masculine gender. What will be al-muthanna of hada? Hada in muthanna is hadani. How about هذه, this, in feminine gender? What will be the muthanna of هذه? You might have tried to add ani to the end of the ism, but its dual is a bit different. The muthanna form of هذه is هاتاني. هاتاني. We just need to memorize this dual for هذه. So هذا becomes هذاني and هذه becomes هاتاني in muthanna. That was the end of the exercise. Let's now go backward and do exercise 5. Here we have a few words in muthanna form given without any vowel signs. We need to read them correctly with appropriate vowels. Here is the first word. How do we read this? كلبان, right? 2 dogs. It is a dual of the ism كلب, a dog. Try this word now. مكتبان, 2 desks. It is a dual of مكتب. How about this? قميصان, 2 shirts. What is its mufrad form? قميص, right? Very good. قميص became قميصان. The next word is أخوان, 2 brothers. It is a dual of أخ. So أخ became أخوان in muthanna. Notice in the dual form, an extra letter waw is added before the suffix ani. This is not the first time the letter waw shows up in أخ, right? If you remember, its plural form إخوة also has an extra waw in it. What is this word? It is mindilani, 2 handkerchiefs. It is al-muthanna of mindilun. Next, how do we read this word? مسطرتان, right? مسطرتان, 2 rulers. It is al-muthanna of مسطرة. What is this word? أختان, 2 sisters. What would be the mufrad form of أختان? مفرد الكلمة أو مفردها أخت. So أخت became أختان. And the final word is امرأتان, 2 women. It is the muthanna of امرأة, a woman. امرأة became امرأتان. If you remember, the plural form of امرأة comes from a different root. Do you remember what it is? Women in Arabic is nisa'un. You may find it easy to remember the word from the name of the Suratun Nisa in the Quran. Notice the phrase Suratun Nisa'i is the mudaf and mudaf ilayh combination. That is why the ism an-nisa is coming as majroor here. This was the end of the exercise. Let's mark it done and keep going backward to exercise 4. This is a very good exercise to practice what we've just learned about duals. We need to convert the mubtada of each given sentence to al-muthanna. Mithal, the example is هذا كتاب. This is a book. The new sentence with muthanna ism will be هذان كتابان. These are 2 books. So here the mubtada هذا became هذان in dual. And the khabar kitabun turned into kitabani to comply with the mubtada in count. Sentence 1. هذا قلم. This is a pen. How do we say these are 2 pens? It should be هذان قلمان. Very good. هذان قلمان. Sentence 2. هذه مسطرة. This is a ruler. What will be the muthanna version? For هذه, we should use هاتان, right? So the sentence is هاتان مسطرتان. These are 2 rulers. هاتان مسطرتان. Next, هذا طالب. This is a student. Now try saying these are 2 students. هذان طالبان. Very good. Sentence 4. هذه طالبة. This is a female student. What is the مُثَنَّى version of this sentence? It should be هاتان طالبتان. These are two female students. هاتان طالبتان. Now we have a few sentences that involve بدل. هذا الرجل مدرس. This man is a teacher. How do we turn this sentence into a dual version? We simply convert each noun to al-muthanna. هذا becomes هذان, الرجل becomes الرجلان, and مدرس becomes مدرسان. Together, the new sentence is هذان الرجلان مدرسان. These two men are teachers. Or literally, these two men are two teachers. هذان الرجلان مدرسان. Sentence 6. هذا الطالب من الهند. This student is from India. Try to convert this to al-muthanna on your own. The new sentence should be هذان الطالبان من الهند. These two students are from India. هذان الطالبان من الهند. Sentence 7. هذه الساعة من اليابان. This watch is from Japan. This sentence has the same structure as the last one we just saw. The dual version will be هاتان الساعتان من اليابان. These two watches are from Japan. هاتان الساعتان من اليابان. This is a very nice sentence with rhyming words, although keep in mind that the ism al-yabani is not al-muthanna, even though it happens to end with ani. The ism al-yabanu is coming in majroor case with kasra ending because of the harf jar min. Sentence 8. هذه السيارة للمدير. This car belongs to the principal. هذه السيارة للمدير. What will be the new sentence with duals? It should be هاتان السيارتان للمدير. These two cars belong to the principal. هاتان السيارتان للمدير. Sentence 9. لمن هذا المفتاح? How would you translate this question to English? Whose is this key? What would be the same question for two keys? لمن هذان المفتاحان? Very good. And the last sentence is لمن هذه الملعقة? Whose is this spoon? لمن هذه الملعقة? How do we say whose are these two spoons? It should be لمن هاتان الملعقتان. لمن هاتان الملعقتان. Very good. We are finished with this exercise as well. I hope you are starting to feel good about al-muthanna by now. Let's finish this episode here and come back next time to practice with more examples, insha'Allah. Until the next time, Assalamu alaikum.